Hi, my name is Hannadakkak. I am from Sweden. I'm a fourth year medical student at Medical University of Sofia. I just want to make a shout out to Dr. Najeeb and Najeeb for revolutionizing online medical education for us students. Me and all medical students around the world are reviewing Dr. Najeeb medical lectures, and that's because Dr. Najeeb explained the principle to you in a way that you start to really understand the subject rather than just trying to memorize it for the exams. When I watched my first video with Dr. Najeeb, I completely changed the way I studied, and that's because he presented the material in a clear and logic sequence. He demonstrates an expert knowledge, and of course he pays the lecture appropriately. So don't forget to sign up to access more than 800 videos on basic medical science and clinical medicine. Shout out to you, Dr. Najeeb and Najeeb. Thank you for the amazing lectures, and have a nice day.